Hello everyone, welcome to Protect Night. So in this video we will see how to change profile picture on Facebook. So first make sure you have logged into your Facebook account and click on your profile photo in the left sidebar and you will be taken to your Facebook profile screen and click on the camera icon on your profile picture and choose choose upload photo. Now select a photo which you want to upload. So once it is loaded you can crop or zoom in or zoom out the photo and click on save. So this is how you can change profile picture on your Facebook account.